Are you looking for the best lenses to shoot beautiful wedding photos? Look no further, this video covers the top 5 best lenses for wedding photography. From wide-angle lenses to prime lenses, we'll show you what type of lens is ideal for capturing those special moments. Learn about their features, capabilities and limitations so that you can make an informed decision when it comes time to purchase. See which lens fits your budget and style of shooting. Our first choice is the Nikon 28-70mm f2.8D is a professional-grade lens offering superior optical performance for all types of photography. It is one of the most versatile lenses in the Nikon lineup and offers sharp images even in low light conditions. The built-in autofocus system ensures fast and accurate focusing, while the lens wide-angle capabilities make it ideal for capturing landscapes, portraits, and other wide-angle shots. Our second choice is the Nikon 50mm f1.4G is one of the most sought-after lenses in the photography world. It's a prime lens with a wide aperture, which allows you to capture stunning images in low-light situations. This lens is well known for its superior image quality and sharpness, and it's often used by professionals for its impressive performance. With its versatile focal length, it's also great for portrait photography, as well as street and travel photography. Our third choice is the Nikon 85mm f1.4G is an incredibly popular lens among photographers and videographers alike. It is renowned for its superior image quality and virtually non-existent chromatic aberration, making it a must-have lens in the industry. With an f/1.4 maximum aperture, this lens delivers exceptional performance in low light conditions and can deliver gorgeous bokeh for stunning pictures. Our fourth choice is the Nikon 50mm f1.8G is a prime lens designed for Nikon cameras and offers an outstanding combination of image quality, fast aperture, and affordability. It's a great choice for photographers who want to take their photography to the next level without breaking the bank. This lens is known for its sharpness and excellent contrast in low-light situations, making it the go-to lens for shooting night scenes. Our last choice is the Nikon 35mm f1.8G lens is a great choice for photographers of all levels who are looking for an affordable, yet high-quality wide-angle lens. With its fast autofocus system and versatile zoom capabilities, this lens offers the perfect combination of speed and portability for capturing captivating images. The lightweight construction makes it an ideal tool for both street and travel photography, allowing you to capture stunning landscapes with ease. If you are enjoying our video, please subscribe our channel and give a thumbs up if you have any questions. That is know in the comments section below, and thanks for watching the video.